Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between equity value and enterprise value. Both are important valuation metrics used in finance, investment analysis, and business acquisitions. While equity value focuses on shareholders' ownership value, enterprise value measures the total value of a business. Let's explore their key differences one by one. Number 1. Equity value represents the value of a company's outstanding shares, whereas enterprise value represents the total value of the entire business, including debt and other claims. Number 2. Equity value shows the value attributable to shareholders, whereas enterprise value shows the value attributable to all capital providers, including both debt and equity holders. Number 3. Equity value considers only the equity portion of a company, whereas enterprise value considers both equity and debt while adjusting for cash. Number 4. Equity value is calculated by multiplying share price by the number of outstanding shares, whereas enterprise value is calculated by adding debt to market capitalization and subtracting cash and cash equivalents. Number 5. Equity value does not include debt in its calculation, whereas enterprise value includes debt as a major component. Number 6. Equity value does not directly account for cash holdings, whereas enterprise value subtracts excess cash from the valuation. Number 7. Equity value reflects the risk and return perspective of equity investors, whereas enterprise value reflects the perspective of both debt holders and equity investors. Number 8. Equity value is commonly used when valuing companies with little or no debt, whereas enterprise value is preferred for comparing companies with different capital structures. Number 9. Equity value is less comparable across firms with varying leverage levels, whereas enterprise value provides a more standardized comparison among companies. Number 10. Equity value focuses primarily on shareholder wealth, whereas enterprise value focuses on the operating value of the entire business. Number 11. Equity value changes significantly when debt levels change, whereas enterprise value is generally less affected by financing decisions. Number 12. Equity value is not the primary metric used in mergers and acquisitions, whereas enterprise value is widely used to determine acquisition prices. Number 13. Equity value is directly linked to shareholders' equity on the balance sheet, whereas enterprise value relates to both assets and liabilities of the company. Number 14. Equity value is especially important for stock investors and traders, whereas enterprise value is more important for lenders, analysts, and strategic buyers. Number 15. Equity value commonly uses valuation multiples such as price to earnings, price to book, and price to sales ratios, whereas enterprise value commonly uses EV/EBITDA, EV/revenue, EV/EBIT, and EV/FCF multiples. Number 16. Equity value answers the question, what is the market value of shareholders' ownership in the company? Whereas enterprise value answers the question, what is the total value of the business as a whole regardless of how it is financed? To summarize, equity value measures the value available to shareholders, while enterprise value measures the total value of the entire company, including debt obligations. Understanding both concepts helps investors, analysts, and business owners make better valuation and investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.